always.
And I'm like, technically not.
That's true. Technically, we're doing okay. We could do better, but we're doing okay.
There were some extra expenses that are not in the regular. That if we weren't for them.
Why are you being there, Motsi?
When I return, I continue.
So that when you what?
When I return. We'll get service. No pooping in the parking lot.
I didn't bring a bag.
Well, let's go there.
Yeah. I meant to record this earlier, but I kept putting it off. I'm gonna put this right. So I'm trying to get a job because kids aren't paying as much as is needed to survive. So that may put a big wedge into the amount of commissions I'm able to do. I won't be able to work on commissions as many hours as I normally do. I'm not sure when I'm going to get a job, if it's ever going to happen at all. But if I do, then good. That means more money, and I'm Motsi, and that's gonna be good overall. And I have something in my eye. We'll see. Still not in concrete yet. I got a decent amount of commissions this month, but that really doesn't mean anything in the long run because commissions are flaky that way. I can get a lot of commissions in a small amount of time and then get nothing for the next couple of months. It's really unpredictable. I don't have a steady stream of commissions quite yet. But in other news, the puppies were born, so today I'm going to be taking lots of video of puppies. They're not Motsi's siblings. They might be Motsi's step or siblings and step siblings. I think we think they have the same dad. Motsi, 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 Motsi. Ignore me. Muddy. I'm so sweaty. It's not good. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking video of puppies and it's going to be awesome. Puppies. Everybody loves the puppies. Shake the camera around. Unscrewed it.
¿Ah? No, en eso estoy. Estaba preguntando.
Mira, ve.
¿Me vas a...? ¡Oh, no!
Mira. No tengo dinero.
¿Cómo lo hiciste?
No, lo hizo, no, lo compramos.
Lo compramos para poder hacerlo. No salió. The babies are 2 days old. No se ve. Ahí está. ¡Eh, baby! Here.
Mira, ven.
The babies. Puppies are dead. Te vas a enfriar. There. Yeah.
Se están mamando las orejas.
Sí.
Creo que tienen frío. Mira, este es blanco y este es blanco.
Sí, esos son, este es blanco, blanco y grises
Ajá.
son. Gris. A ver si se ve, a ver si se ve.
Ay, ay, ay.
Sí, sí se ve.
¡Qué abusivo eres! Mira, mamá. Los hace rollito para que se resbalen.
Sí se ve, mira, si mueves sus pelitos, se ve el blanco de abajo. Ay, qué bonito bebés, qué bonito.
Tienen frío por el este.
No, son míos, ya no son tuyos.
Me encanta cómo se ven cuando tienen la boca abierta.
¿Los
Parece
bebés?
que están bien felices. No, estos perros.
Oye.
¿Verdad?
Ajá.
Los ojos le brillan y tienen la sonrisita. ¿Estornudó?
Alguien allá.
No, estos se estornan así. ¡Chu!
La mamá orgullosa de nuevo.
Asqueroso.
Todavía se te bajaba la panza y ya estabas.
Alguien se hizo un chuperillo.
Sí.
No, pero
Este es el resucitado, mira.
¿cómo sabes?
Porque tiene una cruz.
¿Está más chiquito?
Sí, y es de más chiquito.
No es una cruz. ¿De dónde sacas la cruz? Ya tiene el símbolo de fuego. ¡Falla!
Es del Blair Witch.
Sí.
Es bruja.
Ah, es bruja.
Ujú.
Por eso tenía que haber muerto. Ahora.
Ajá.
Ahora darle la vida a la.
Al Blair Witch.
¡Ay! ¡Se fue! ¡Ay! ¡Se fue! ¿Déjale una pata?
Déjela.
No, ¿verdad? Apestas.
Apestas, Vela.
No, se van a ir para acá. Vela, bájate. ¡Ah! El bruto.
Alguien se metió en tu casa, ¿verdad?
Bruta, aquí está la teta. Y está llena. Y no, se va ya a buscar otro. Ah, mira, ya te la ganaron.
So after 2 days of strictly professional collaboration, we had the address of the guy who blew them on very including source. But we ran into a girl.
You're lucky.
Hey.
It's D&D day. It's 9:15 in the morning, and I'm on my way to go and pick up a friend who's going to join us for D&D. It's going to be his first time, so let's make it a good one. He loves Daddy. He went over to the store over there. Here he comes. Oh no, that's not him. Just waiting for him. Come, Daddy. You weirdo. We can't get a haircut. Why are you running away from me? Mochi!
We need there before. No, see.
Yeah! Mochi! Sí. Yay, money. Where did she go? Oh, there she is.
It's actually quite interesting. For example, I can add strength to remove fire from air cooling discharge, or can make a compressed wall of air around myself as a shield. It could be said that alone it's weak, but when used with multiple skills it becomes quite strong.